Hello everyone, I am back with another Coach unboxing, and this particular item is something that when it first came out on the website, I put it right away on my wish list. It is so unique, and I think this is a seasonal piece. And I was at the store that day. I was at the store, and I totally did not expect that I was able to find this in such a good price. So anyway, here she is right here. I covered it with a dust bag. That's because this item didn't came in with any packaging at all. It is a floor model, unfortunately, but when I checked it, it is in great condition. And to reveal right here, oh my gosh, I just can't get over of how beautiful all the combinations on the leather, on the shearling, the suede, the hardware, and everything in this bag. I know that I could have gotten this when it was released, but as usual, Coach they always put the items in the next month or so on sale, and I got this item at Macy's. So I found this at Macy's, not at the Coach boutique or outlet. I got it at Macy's, and I wasn't looking for anything at all. I was just walking past the purses, and when I saw this at the shelves, and I said, "Oh my gosh, let me check this one out." So wow, the condition is great, even though, like I've mentioned, this is a floor model. The condition is beautiful. So this one is called a beat bag, a shoulder bag, with a combination of this beautiful and really soft shearling right here, and also a combination of a gloved and leather, a gold brass hardware, and oh, hold on, how do I open? Okay, and a suede right here. So this part right here is a suede, and also the flap has a smooth leather right here, smooth gloved and leather, which is actually a different color. It's more likely a beige color, a sun beige color, like that. So anyway, look at the suede right there. So the suede, that is the nature of the suede. So you see the marks right there from the flap. That is actually normal. And also it has this closure right here, the snap closure. I'm not really sure about the snap thing though, because it is a little bit hard. And yeah, it should have been magnetic. That's what I was thinking. So anyway, let's take a look at inside. So this one has one. Wow, there's still stuffing inside. 2 and 3. Oh, the dust bag is right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. So the second compartment right here, this one has a zip closure right here, and it has a jacquard fabric lining. And right here in the first compartment, my favorite part, it is actually lined with it is leather. Wow, it is lined with a gloved on leather right here. I was trying to make it sure that it is leather. Right here we have a jacquard material fabric, and on the third compartment it is also the same as well. It has those gloved and smooth leather. It has a patch grid right there. And at the back, oh, the back has a snap closure. I don't even know. Yeah, it is magnetic. The snap closure at the back, for some reason, it is magnetic. And it's actually pretty strong. Get that. Oh my gosh. It's actually pretty strong. So beautiful. The interior is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I am totally blown away with its craftsmanship, the material that they use, the leather, all the combinations are here. We have the shearling, like I mentioned. We have the gloved leather. We have a suede, smooth leather right here. The jacquard, everything is here, and also the brass hardware. So this is how it looks inside. It's very spacious though. This one has a little bit more likely an accordion type of, okay, let me just take a look at the glazing right here. Okay. My attention right away, I was still explaining about the accordion type of compartment. I was like looking at the glazing right away. So this one has a glazing right here, those edge paint right there in black. It does seem to look like they are intact though. And also we have a hang tag right here. Right here. And let me just close this one. See the flap? Oh, the flap is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's like the interior, when I saw a purse, when I look at the purse and the interior is made up of leather, oh my gosh, that is just totally my weakness. It was just like I wanted to buy it right away without even thinking twice. But that is exactly what happened to this purse. I know that this is a seasonal bag. I cannot really wear this all year long. But regardless, I don't care. She is such a beauty. More likely a collector's piece though. So let me just take the closure right here. I'm not really sure about it. The suede is alright. I'm not really too crazy about suede. I've only owned one suede purse in my life, but I'm not a fan of it. So anyway, let me just close this one right here. The side corner of it, it's all made up of the suede material, and also where you could hook the ring right here for the strap, it has made up of gloved leather as well. Let's take a look at the shearling. So the shearling, when I was at the store, I was touching the shearling, and it does seem to look like they are in place. I really love that the shearling is, you could just like easily maneuver this material right here. And it says that the shearling actually, it was imported coming from Spain. And when I touch it, it just feels like it's made up of high quality shearling material. And I love that I could just easily just brush it like this. And the shearling is actually, look at that one. Yeah, you could easily just brush it and that they are in place. It is so beautiful. And I know that I have seen, I think the swinger. I also saw, I think I saw the swinger bag. And the swinger is actually gorgeous as well. I want that to add in my collection. But for some reason, I have checked that so many times at the store, and the shearling is all over the place. I could not even, it's so hard to maneuver the shearling. It's like it's like they're going in different direction. And I totally dislike that. So for this, when I saw it at the store and I was like, okay, let me just brush this. And it was going on, it's so easy to deal with the shearling. I just didn't want that when you touch it, obviously like that. I didn't want that the shearling is like going in different places. I just want them to be in the same direction. So that is exactly what I wanted with this. And when I saw that, yes, I decided to purchase it. So anyway, another thing that I love about it, it's actually Coach. When it comes to buying a Coach purses, I think Coach has given you everything. The Coach really want you to use your bag. They want you to use it. I mean, because this bag, you could actually use it as a crossbody bag. You can use it as a shoulder bag. You can use the top handle. It actually came in with a chain as well. Where's the chain? Oh, okay. The chain is not here. Let me look for the chain. Okay, the chain is right here. I'm sorry. So the chain is right here. It was right. Well, they actually put it in one of this stuff right here. So anyway, okay, let me just put this back. And then it came in with this beautiful chain right here, where you could also use it with that as well. And mind you guys, this is actually priced at $695 US originally. That's before tax. And I got it with a 40% off, which is now became $417 US. That's before tax. And wow, I think it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. It's worth every penny. That's because I know when I saw this, look at the detail of it. Look at this beautiful contrasting stitching. Wow, it's amazing. The hardware, it's beautiful. The shearling looks very, very luxurious. And that's when I think of it like 40%. Why not? You know? So yeah, you have the option to use this beautiful chain right here. Like that. And the chain has a detail. I think in every bead bag, it has those Coach engraved right there. Right here. So the detail on each of those. So look at the chain right here. It has weight, but it's not too heavy. It's just it's perfect, I think. So we also have a top handle right here, which is made up of a glove-ton leather, a smooth leather. Look at the detail of it. It has those contrasting stitching in yellow. At the back, right there, we have a gold brass hardware. I love the hardware for this. I do love it. It is just has a perfect shine to it. It's not too bright, and it's not too shiny, and it's not too dull. I do love it. Right here. So it's not like a really shiny, flashy gold. It's just like perfect, to be honest. So anyway, so we have a chain strap right here. We have a top handle strap right here. And we also have the shoulder strap. My favorite. The reason why it became my favorite is because it's made up of full leather. It is not, I'm so happy that they did not use a jacquard or nylon strap on this. I am just so excited to find out that it has a full leather glove tan leather strap. The detail for this is absolutely beautiful, where you can actually adjust right here at the back as well. Oh my gosh, the detailed, oh my goodness. Look at that, those beautiful contrasting stitching, guys. It's all over it. It just has the perfect amount of everything. It's, oh my gosh, I would definitely gonna recommend this. Even though that it's no longer the season, I know this is part of the fall and winter collection for Coach, but I waited. I waited for this item to be put out on sale, and I am so excited that I think this is my first time or my second time to I think for the shearling, I guess. I think this is the second time with this particular type, but well, regardless, she is stunning. She is so beautiful. It's totally worth it if you got it on sale, but I think if you paid a full price, absolutely, it's worth every penny, guys. I mean, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. She's stunning. Absolutely amazing. So I'm not sure if this one is still available on the website. I mean, at the store. Because I've been checking this on the website. I couldn't find it anymore. Maybe they sold out. And I think Saks has it, but it's still in the regular price. And wow, the beautiful, beautiful breast, a combination of this beautiful shearling right here, and then the saddle suede color, the 1941 saddle suede color. Oh wow, she is stunning. I would definitely gonna recommend if you were looking for a bag that has all the combinations of shearling, suede, and leather. This is truly one that I could recommend. And yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe next year, at the end of this year, I would start wearing this, but I wouldn't even mind just to put her on the shelves a little bit more likely of a decoration because she is so stunning. She deserves to have a spot in my collection on the shelves. Look at that. Look at that. But I don't know of the suede right here. I'm not really sure. I know that there are people out there that are like so sensitive when it comes to the marks and scratches in the suede. For me, no, that doesn't matter because that is just the nature of suede. As long as you don't get this dirty or get wet or put some oil in it, it would still look gorgeous. But right now, wow, look at the interior. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't get over of how beautiful those flap are. It's stunning. So anyway, I would highly recommend this beautiful bead bag that has a combination of suede and shearling and the leather. I would highly recommend it. And I'm not sure that the outlet has it, but I know that you just keep an eye on maybe Saks. Maybe they will definitely gonna put this at Saks or call Macy's. Maybe they still have it, but sometimes a lot of these sale items, what they have at the store, it may not be on the online. At online, they may not have it at the store. So that is the difference because I know when I asked her about this piece, and I said, I've been looking for this, but this was never, I didn't see this on sale online, and yet you have it on sale. And she said, yeah, there is a difference. So anyway, this is another beautiful addition to my collection. Beautiful, beautiful bead bag. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.